Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to rearrange your playlist in Amazon Music. Whether you want to create the perfect flow for a road trip or organize your favorite tracks by artist or album, this quick guide will show you exactly how to customize your playlist order. Let's jump right in. First, open your Amazon Music app on your computer or laptop and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface with several menu options at the top. Click on Library in the top menu, then select Music from the options that appear. This will take you to your music collection where all your saved content lives. Next, click on Playlists. This section houses all the playlists you've created or saved, making it easy to access and manage them. Now find and click on the specific playlist you want to rearrange. This will open up the full playlist view, displaying all the tracks currently in that playlist. Here's where things get interesting. Although the Edit Playlist button or Reorder Song option might not be immediately visible on the main screen, I'll show you exactly where to find it. Look for the three dotted lines, which typically indicate a menu with additional options. Click on those three dots, and from the menu that appears, select Edit Playlist or Reorder Song. This unlocks the ability to manually customize your playlist order. Now you have full control over your track arrangement. To move a song, simply click and hold on it, then drag it up or down to its new position in the playlist. You can place it anywhere you like, creating the exact sequence you want. Once the song is in the right spot, release it and it will lock into that new position. This manual method gives you complete creative freedom over your playlist structure. Alternatively, if you prefer a more automated approach, look for the Sort Default button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll see several sorting options appear. You can choose to sort by title, artist, album, or duration, depending on how you'd like to organize your music. Select your preferred option from the list, and the playlist will automatically rearrange itself based on your choice. This is perfect when you want quick organization without manually moving each track. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to rearrange your Amazon Music playlist, either manually by dragging songs or automatically through sorting options. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.